Okay, is that better? Perfect. Good morning, all. Wait for quite a few. Wait for we only got 14 in the room. Puts on Tesla. I have no idea. That's scary. Very scary. I'll tell you why. It's not. In my opinion, it's not worth it. Gotta make sure I have my extended hours on. Cards. Tesla got an upgrade. Gotta black out the screen real quick. God, that's today. Okie dokie. Well, I can't too long. Okay, we're back on. Okay, I'm gonna be extremely quick. Yeah, Amazon Prime announcement October 13th. That's gonna be the play is Amazon. Just gotta figure out an entry in that. So I'm gonna go over. I'll throw in Amazon here pretty quick too. I'm gonna go over three things: QQQs, Tesla, and SPY. Let's go over the markets real quick. So QQQ is being a little stubborn right now. I for sure thought. I mean, it's trading sideways, but I for sure thought this was the top. If you notice, my expectation, and we're still in a wave 4 on the QQQs. Okay, that's number one, and you guys know how wave 4 or wave 4s treat us. But so we're still in the target zone for wave 4. But if you notice, I do have an alternative count for a wave 4. And that's the 274 to 275 range. And if the QQQs can come up here, it's pretty freaking close. But if they can come up here, then that would fill the gap right here. And turn off the extended hours. That'll fill this gap, and then we can come back down. It doesn't have to, because my expectation is for QQQs to come right down in here for in a wave 5 and then go up anyways. So you notice we've got this pretty nice cup and handle. So I'm going to keep that alt count up there, but we're still in resistance zone. It's having a very hard time right now, even in pre-market, to really bust through this box here, which is, what is this level? Yeah, it's really trying to pass the 618 and grab the 0.5. So up here, the top of this red box here is the 0.5 extension. So basically, it's a 50% retracement of the previous swing. So it's really trying to actually, wonder where I measured that. Freeze that up. That's really okay. Second. Let me adjust this resistance. That wasn't the 0.5, sorry. right, so I'm gonna bring that up. Oh, okay, that's why it was like that, because I have my extended. Okay, I'm gonna take that back. All right, so yeah, it's already retraced 0.618, so 61.8% of this entire swing down. So still in a wave 4. The expectation is to get rejected and go down. If it wants to go grab that Alt 4, I think it can. It'll fill that gap and then come down. Either way, we're still in the wave 4. And like I mentioned earlier, you know how those waves treat us. Wave 5 targets. This wave 5 would be nice. Do I think we'll get it? In my honest opinion, I doubt it. Again, I've got a pretty sweet cup and handle. So what I think could happen, you'll notice I've got this pink Alt 5 count. So basically, this is the alternative 5th wave down in this entire C wave move. Okay, so we're almost 5 waves down in a C. But I'm going to keep this box up here because this could potentially be my Alt C count. Okay, so this could be 5 waves down right here. And if we happen to bounce, let me throw up the 382. Nope, not the 382, the 764. So I could see us bouncing right here in this area, how the pink and the green overlap. And then we go right back up. All right, so look for that area, and that's 262 to 264. SPY, still in a wave 4. Don't have to tell you what wave 4s are like. I just explained that, and they are brutal. But you notice I have an alternative wave 4 on the chart. So the expectation here on the SPY is to grab that 332 or 334, but got a gap. Got a gap right here. And this is, what is this? 338-ish. So I've got an Alt 4 count. So we're getting ready to approach the 0.5 extension of this previous swing in a wave 4, okay? And then expectation for a wave 5 is down here. Got my box. Let's put my box up. Right in there. And most likely I could see us bouncing off this trend line. The SPY is really, it's kind of really staying on that support trend line. So I think we could get up, come down, bounce, and then go right back up. So we're close to my C wave, but I don't know, just the way the markets have been trading, I don't think we'll get this. I mean, we need something extremely bad to happen in terms of news for that C wave to take shape, which would be my 293 target gap fill. Tesla. Okay. It's still in support. And now if we take a little closer look, it bounced on the 0.5 extension level of the previous swing, okay? And that previous swing is this swing from the bottom of here when we got below the 400, the top, okay? So it's already retraced 50% of this entire move up. So we bounced on the 5 extension. I'm throwing this fib here, okay, as a potential move down. And you'll notice this swing down, reach between the 618 and the 786 and bounce back up to the 0 line. Okay. These are pre-market, these are after hour. Oh, yeah, look at that. I didn't even notice that. This was after hours the day before, and this is after hours yesterday. Okay. So, and we kind of did get up. I mean, we got up there a little bit, but then we dropped back down and hit that level. So just, I find that odd, not odd, but coincidence. So pay attention to these levels here. This is if we break 764, which is here. Let me throw it up. Notice how I got a red zone. If we get into here, we break it, Tesla's going down. Yes. Okay. So here's the potential count for Tesla. I've got a wave 1 here potential, okay? Got a wave 2 pullback here. Then I've got a wave 3. I'm going to remove this green zone so it's a much clearer. Yeah, hold on. Okay. Oh, that wasn't even it. Do I have 2 on there? I do have 2 on there. Why the hell do I have 2 on there? Dump that. Okay, here we go. All right, so we got to the we didn't hit 3 with a 1382, which is a wave 3 target, but got pretty close, and now we're bouncing up. Now, if this is a wave 1, 2, 3, Tesla could come down from here in the open, which is almost in a half hour. Okay, I'm gonna throw my 0. I got 1, I got 2, I've got 3 down here, I got a 4 up here, and then I've got a 5. Where are you at? 5 down here. Okay. If we reach this 5, which is the 1768, then I have resistance here. So we'll complete 5 waves down, and then we'll go back up in an ABC manner, which next target will be between 410 and 419. This can take a while though. I'm not saying this is going to happen this week. Okay, so just be careful. I'm just providing a sense of direction with Tesla, potential direction with Tesla. But the one thing I do want to point out is still in support. Still in support until we're not. Okay. Throw back to 764. So there you go. So I think what could happen if this move plays out, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then an A. This would be the A wave. This 5 moves down, and then we go up into a B and get rejected, and then we go down into a C, which is 5 waves down. I think that C wave is the one that'll actually break the 764 and confirm that we are bearish. I mean, just looking at the chart now, the fact that we're back in the support. Oh, not to mention, wave 1's over here. Okay, so we haven't entered wave 1 yet. That's the other thing. Let me 756 crap. Let's see here. So here's wave 1. I mean, yeah, we kind of entered it. That's kind of your red flag there. But now we're bouncing up, so it's just for those of you that okay, here's my bearish count. If you're looking to get out, okay, here's what I do when I try to get out of positions. I play the volatility. Okay, I play the volatility because when it's done, I mean, your contracts are just going to decay slowly. And then every small swing pop here and there is just, it's not going to be worth it. So there's going to be some at the open. You always got that volatility. So here's my count going down. Got a 1, 2 set up here, 4 or 3 and a 4 bounce, which we're entering right now, and then 5 down, and then we go up to a B wave, which is back up here. That could not happen this week. It may happen next week. So if you're holding on to some lotto plays, you know what to do. So yeah, let's look at Amazon. So I didn't quite get my deep retracement. Okay, and that irritates the crap out of me. I was expecting Amazon to come down here, but I haven't touched this chart in a minute. So here's where I think, where are we at? What level is it? If you this gold line, this gold these fib levels, we didn't even hit the 1236 nor the 1382. So this is definitely, I mean, I don't think this is 5 waves. This can't be 5 waves. Here, bounce here, or okay, no, try this one. Okay, that's 17. Yeah, see, this is not 5. This can't be. Yeah, no. Yeah, see, if it was this swing, that means 5 waves would have been here. That's not the case. Usually I spend a little bit more time doing these fibs, but oh, that could be it right there. That wasn't 5 waves down on the A wave. Yeah, this could be it. Okay, if this is really 5 waves down, notice how the bottom here reached. Okay, so I'm going to keep this on here. I'm going to call this Alt-C. Right down here. Which means once the QQQs can drop, okay. I'm expecting Amazon to come right back down towards the 3,000 range for a bounce and a wave 2. So way overextended. I'm not playing lotto, or not lotto. I'm not taking a position in Amazon to play prime until the QQQs can finally make its move down to complete the 5th wave, which would bring Amazon down back into this support zone between 2971 and 3003, which actually we can get down to the 61A level, which I think we can. That'll fill the gap for Amazon. That'll be a nice, healthy retracement to go up into wave 3 in time for prime. That's what I'm looking for. All right, guys, 8:01. I got a meeting, market meeting coming up, or has started. So I'm going to hop off. Catch me in the day trade room. I'm going to throw my charts up there. And if I have time with remote learning, I'll do my best to try to maybe go live again. I know this was really quick. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the day